picking the mouse from if you give a mouse a cookie or if you give a mouse a brownie. And I will use acrylic paint that you can find at any store. I believe I got mine at Walmart. And I'm just now painting my base coat of my mouse. I've decided I'd like to make him gray. So now my pumpkin is dry. The second coat is now set. So I will begin doing some facial features on my pumpkin. So we've completed the nose, but I will be going back and giving it a couple more coats so it's nice and bright pink, but this will need to dry for a while. So now I'm just going to do a little mouth on my mouse here. To fill in our tongue with a little lighter pink. And I'll be doing a couple coats too of this here as well. Let's get our first coat here. And maybe going back over with some of my black as well later as well. We'll just do our first coat here.
So you used Sharpies for the outline, correct?
I did. Sometimes I'll use black acrylic paint, but Sharpies work just as well. Here are the ears that I cut out of construction paper, and I will just be gluing those together, and they'll be placed right on top of our mouse with some hot glue.
Wow.
And this is what it will look like.
Looks amazing. Thank you.